Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys. Talkback off setting, how to turn off talkback in Redmi mobile. Friends, you have on talkback and friends now you want to turn off talkback. So how to turn off talkback one by one, step by step, friends we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, you can see I have talkback setting, and guys I am not operating my Redmi mobile. So how to turn off talkback? First of all, friends, use your two finger and guys scroll it. And friends, if you use one finger, friends, you cannot turn off talkback. Use your two finger, one tap, double tap here. Again use your two finger and scroll it. Friends, click here Redmi mobile phone setting, one tap, and friends double tap here continue, because friends if you one tap you cannot turn off talkback in your Redmi mobile. So friends double tap here. After double tap, friends click here Wi-Fi setting and again use your two fingers. And friends if you use again one finger, so friends you cannot turn off talkback. Use your two fingers, scroll it. Additional setting, one tap here friends. And friends again double tap, because if you one tap you cannot on additional settings. So friends double tap here. And friends click here accessibility setting. Double tap here friends. Friends click here vision setting. Double tap. Talkback setting. Double tap. Use talkback setting, one tap, double tap, one tap, and then double tap talkback off. And guys now you can use your Redmi phone without talkback. So like that friends, you can turn off talkback in your Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to turn off talkback in Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching.